Yes, sir.
How's jail?
To be honest with you, it's not nice.
Great.
It's not nice at all. And it
That makes me very, very happy because I hope it's one of the most miserable, rotten experiences that you've ever had.
It is, sir. And I wish to never see it again.
The problem is you keep doing things to land you in there.
Yes, sir. And I will try my best to do more to not end up back in here. So I promise.
The road to hell is paved with good intentions.
This courtroom hearing? Absolute chaos. Judge Fair isn't just in charge, he commands the room. The defendant? On trial for assaulting a pregnant woman. Yeah, you heard that right. Unthinkable. And the way Judge Fair handles it? It's not just justice. It's a masterclass. He tears into this guy with zero hesitation, and trust me, by the end, he delivers a verdict the defendant and you won't forget anytime soon. Think judges can't make an impact? Wait till you see this. Drop your thoughts in the comments. This one is wild.
No, sir.
You're on a very serious probation for assault of a pregnant person. And now, picked up terrorist. You're now facing another year in jail. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. I don't even know what happened to your case. All I know is that you're on a serious probation.
Yes, sir.
And now you've picked up another case. So let's see what happens.
Yes, sir.
And whether you deserve to be let out.
Yes, sir.
Please.
On April 29, 2024, in Harris County, Texas, the defendant threatened to kill the complainant and the child that they shared together. The complainant felt in fear and pepper sprayed the defendant while on the phone with the 911. Defendant admitted to the threat, stating it was out of anger. Did you make it?
Mr. East, what do you do with your life now?
All right, now I'm working at a thrift store. I'm not getting paid that much, but I'm getting paid just enough to take care of the child. And right now,
How are you going to take care of a child? You can't even take care of yourself, Mr. East.
I'm still learning. This is my first child, Your Honor. This is my first child, Your Honor. And
You know, the problem is that with all the anger that you have, if a child sees it, what are they going to do?
they're gonna feed off that same energy, sir. And
They're going to be just like you. If they see you beat mama, threaten to kill mom, what are they going to do?
same thing, but I would never touch my mother, my child's mother. I would never.
Patient for the very same thing, Mr. East.
I understand, sir.
I don't know, Carl. I don't know. You know, I'm not. What was the tipping point here? Why did he get so angry?
4 o'clock in the morning.
4 o'clock in the morning.
I got a phone call from a girlfriend of mine because she was having some problems at her home, but I was sleeping and I didn't hear her phone call or her texts. So while I was holding the baby, I asked her.
4 in the morning.
4 in the morning.
Yes, sir.
I believe he responded to some texts from another female judge, and that's what caused the altercation between him and his motherless child, which is understandable. We've talked.
This court session is off the rails. Judge Fair is not here to play, and honestly, I'm glad. He's dealing with a case. That'll make your blood boil. The defendant did the unthinkable. But what really gets me? His lawyer doing Olympic-level mental gymnastics trying to defend him. Like, really? This isn't some misunderstood soul. This is someone who made a choice. And 1 year in prison? That's a joke. But let's be real for a second. Why are so many young black men stuck in this cycle? Systemic failure? No doubt. But at what point do we say, enough? The system's broken, but we can't keep using that as a crutch. Families are suffering. Communities are bleeding, and the cycle just repeats. Judge Fair sees it, and when he drops that bombshell verdict, you'll feel it in your gut. Stick around. This one's about to get intense.
But he did not assault her, and as a matter of fact, he was pepper sprayed himself during the course of the altercation after he made the threat. He admitted to the officers that he made the threat out of anger and had no intention of following through on it. He is gainfully employed. He just started his job last week. Hopefully he still has it. Bond forfeiture for he has not failed to appear in court. He's not a flight risk.
I'll make you a deal, Mr. East.
Yes, sir.
The only way, because I think that everybody should be given a chance.
Yes, sir.
You weren't given a chance here. You're on probation, which is a serious
charge.
What I want to see, though, is you proactively addressing your anger.
Yes, sir.
The only way I will let you out is if you take it upon yourself 3 times a week
Yes,
to
sir.
do anger management classes somehow, some way.
Yes,
And
sir.
I want proof on a written piece of paper that you're actually doing some kind of anger management
Yes, sir.
3 times a week.
Can we make it 4 times a week? I'm sorry to interrupt you, Judge.
3 is sufficient.
You need to do something that's realistic.
Yes, sir.
Don't overkill because you're setting yourself up to fail.
Yes, sir.
All I want is you to address it. And the way that I can do that is by dangling a jailhouse key in front of you. So you hold the keys to the jail. I want you to do 3 anger management classes a week.
Yes, sir.
And I want you to bring it proof to me every Monday that you've done 3 classes a week.
Yes, sir.
And the first time you falter, I will yank the bond and I'm going to put you in jail. You now know that you have no one to bond you out. So if you go to jail, you will be stuck like Chuck.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Give you this one and only chance.
Yes, sir.
Make me proud. Don't fail me.
Yes, sir.
So we need to find some kind of anger management class. I'm sure that there are free ones. It is up to you to find it. It's not up to Carl. It's not up to your girlfriend. Not up to
Yes, sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
And I want you here every Monday with proof in hand that you've done the anger management classes.
Yes, sir.
3 week. No dope, no alcohol. This is the only chance you're going to get from me. You will not get another one. If you don't believe me, look around.
I believe you on. I believe you on.
Jeez, make me proud.
Okay, this one caught me off guard. Judge Furr, usually known for throwing the book at people, did something completely unexpected. Did he go too soft? I'll let you decide. But when the defendant tried asking for one more day of anger management classes, and his own lawyer shut it down, I lost it. Like even his team knew it was a stretch. But here's what really stood out. Judge Fair showed a different side. Less hammer, more heart. It wasn't about punishment. It was about purpose. A tough love moment that felt more like a life lesson than a sentence. And honestly, we need more of that. Locking people up isn't always the answer. Reform starts with judges who care enough to dig deeper. So here's the question. Does tough love work? Or should courts just stick to straight-up sentencing? Let me know below.